Hello, in this video we intend to withdraw the amount we deposited using the ERC20 tether method in the Pocket Option Broker in the same way. We log into the Pocket Option Broker account, select the Finance option, and then choose the Withdrawal option. We can see the free balance withdrawal and also have the option to check the withdrawal status and commission related to it. We select our desired method in this section, which is the ERC20 tether method. We enter the amount we intend to withdraw and also enter the ERC20 wallet address in this section. Then, select the Continue option. Very well. As you can see, the withdrawal request has been submitted, and after a few business days, the request will be processed. Also, in the Finance section, in the History part, in the Withdrawal section, you can see the status of the withdrawal, including the amount and the date and time you withdrew using the ERC20 method. When the amount is deposited into your wallet, the status will change to completed. After less than 2 hours, the transaction was successfully completed and the amount was deposited into the ERC20 wallet. In future videos, we will discuss other methods of depositing and withdrawing in the Pocket Option Broker. Good luck.